Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I regularly share insights into financial literacy and wealth management. Today we're exploring how to boost your YouTube earnings to the next level. Together we'll delve deep into the world of YouTube monetization, and I'll show you it's not just about ad revenues. If you're seeking to unlock your financial potential, you've come to the right place. I regularly update with valuable content, so ensure you don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button. If you find my content helpful, please give it a like. Your support means a lot to me, and it's the best way to keep this channel going. Introducing ad revenues. We first need to unravel the intricacies of this term. Ad revenues are primarily generated when advertisements are displayed on your YouTube videos. At the heart of it, it does seem like an enticing way to keep a steady cash flow. But here's the catch: YouTube takes a significant chunk of these ad revenues, to be precise, anywhere between 45 to 55%. Let's take a dive into what this means. If your video generates $100 in ad revenues, the best case scenario would see you pocketing $55, and the worst case scenario leaving you with a mere $45. That's the harsh reality of YouTube's ad revenue split. Now, if you're making content that's time-consuming and high quality, you'll realize that getting only around half of your painstakingly earned money isn't exactly a profitable venture. Factor in overhead costs like equipment, editing software, and time spent scripting and filming, and it's easy to see why relying solely on ad revenues might not be the most ideal or sustainable way to earn money on YouTube, wouldn't you? Sponsorships, an exciting avenue to explore. Let's delve deeper into this method. Essentially, sponsorships are a form of advertising in which brands pay you to promote their products or services. When done right, they can prove to be quite lucrative, especially if you've managed to amass a large and engaged audience base. The trick lies in the balance. Striking gold with sponsorships depends on your ability to promote without overwhelming your content. Brands often offer a hefty sum, as your endorsement can significantly boost their market visibility. However, always remember to keep your promotions subtle, woven seamlessly. This is crucial, as overt promotions can risk alienating your audience. Furthermore, relevance is key. It's vital to partner with brands that align with your image and the interests of your audience. This ensures that your promotional content feels organic and truly beneficial to your followers. Remember, sponsorships can be a win-win, but only if managed with thoughtfulness and integrity. Today, we present to you channel memberships, a groundbreaking feature that paves the way for a whole new kind of audience engagement. This remarkable tool enables your viewers to pay a monthly subscription fee, providing them with access to exclusive content or perks that are otherwise not available. The workings of channel memberships are fairly straightforward. As creators, you offer unique content or special benefits that are exclusive to members. In exchange, viewers pay a monthly subscription fee, establishing a consistent monthly income for you. This dependable source of income can help you focus more on crafting content, whilst also providing financial stability. However, achieving success with channel memberships isn't just about offering exclusive content. It also requires a substantial subscriber base. The larger the audience you command, the more potential members the higher your potential income gets. A vast and engaged subscriber base can provide the quantity needed for the subscription model to be highly profitable. The more subscribers you have, the more probable it is to have members willing to pay for the exclusive content, making the channel memberships a worthwhile. Venturing into selling your own products or services, that's the ultimate game changer. Whether it's crafting unique merchandise or designing comprehensive online courses, stepping into this arena allows you to establish your authority and credibility through your channel. It's a demonstration of your expertise, a testament of your knowledge. And why not capitalize on that to offer something of value to your viewers? Be it limited edition t-shirts, mugs, or an in-depth course on how to master a particular skill. Each has a unique appeal to your audience. It is an added advantage that will your brand appeal, but also offer a tangible value addition to your viewers. And the most gleaming advantage of this approach? You retain all the revenue earned, a full 100% of it. There are no middlemen cuts and no profit sharing. Every penny earned goes directly into your pockets. increasing your revenue and giving you complete control and transparency over your earnings. Now, isn't that a lustrous prospect? Delving deeper into affiliate marketing, which stands as a viable income stream to ponder on. Essentially, this method revolves around the promotion of products or services in your videos. The magic happens when a viewer clicks on the affiliate links you provide in your content and makes a purchase. With every sale made through your affiliate links, you earn a commission. So how does affiliate marketing work? It starts by partnering with a company or brand whose products or services are in sync with your content. You then incorporate their affiliate links in your videos. When your audience is intrigued enough to make a purchase via these links, you are remunerated with a portion of the revenue. The success of affiliate marketing heavily relies on the promoted products with your content and the interests of your audience. It's vital to promote products that seamlessly fit into the context of your videos and are also appealing to your viewers. This not only improves the chances of sales, but also maintains the authenticity of your content, thereby fostering trust among your audience. Let us unveil the beauty of owning your own website. A powerful tool that could skyrocket your YouTube earnings thrice over. Owning a website is more than just having a digital presence. It allows you to convert your casual viewers into a dedicated email list. Imagine having the ability to reach out to your followers, not only when they are online, but directly into their inbox. This is possible when you own a website. You can offer exclusive content, subscription-based services, or simply a newsletter subscription. This will encourage your viewers to share their email addresses. Then voila, you have a growing email list. But the benefits don't stop there. This email list is more than just a list. It's a direct marketing channel to your dedicated followers. You can send them updates, exclusive offers, and most importantly, personalized contents, which can dramatically increase your audience engagement. Think of it this way: with every email you send out, you're increasing your chances of earning more. You're not just waiting for your audience to visit your YouTube channel, but you're also proactively reaching out to them. In a nutshell, owning a website offers you an opportunity to convert passive viewers into an active, engaged community that you can reach directly. This can result in a massive surge in your earning potential by flipping the conventional earning method on its head. Let's delve deeper into our unique method: SEO and repurposing content. The importance of SEO, or search engine optimization, cannot be overstated. When you refine your website content for search engines, you're essentially speaking their language, which makes it easier for them to index and rank your pages higher. This ranking subsequently draws in more organic traffic to your site, and thus potential customers. And then comes the ingenious strategy of repurposing your YouTube content. By transforming your video transcripts into blog posts, you're essentially creating a new platform to reach a wider audience. These blog posts cater to people who prefer reading over watching videos, thereby increasing your viewer base, but it doesn't end there. These transmuted blog posts can be further optimized for relevant keywords. Keywords are the linchpin of SEO. They define what your content is about, and when used correctly, draw the right audience to your content. So, when you optimize your blog posts with appropriate keywords, search engines recognize them as valuable resources and rank them higher. The end result? A significant boost in your site's traffic, making your content a veritable traffic magnet. To summarize, while YouTube ad revenue is a nice little bonus, the real money lies in leveraging your channel, building a community, selling your own products, and owning your own website. Start thinking outside the box and watch your YouTube earnings triple. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey to understand YouTube monetization. We hope that you found the content valuable and that it brings you one step closer to your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up. Your likes, shares, and comments are the fuel that keeps this channel running, and we appreciate every single one. Remember, the sky's the limit, and you have the potential to achieve great things. Let's master YouTube earnings together and aim to triple our income. Keep pushing boundaries, keep creating, and most importantly, keep believing in your potential. Until next time, stay motivated, stay curious, and continue to strive for success.